Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Xiaomi 12s Ultra. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the headphone jack, or you can say the earphone jack of the device, you can easily fix it by following the few easy steps as I will show you in this video tutorial. Before starting it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch my video and you will learn how you can fix the headphone jack or the earphone jack issue in your device. Let's watch the video.